eco-friendly session with me, Devika Bapat. Today I'm going to talk about plastic bottles as against glass bottles as against steel bottles. So if you're new to my channel, we talk about all these eco-friendly things. We make lots of cool cocktails. So don't forget to subscribe already. And if you keep watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, why are you doing this to me? Please subscribe, please. So back to our topic, plastic bottles. So we just want to ban plastic. Like seriously, I'm feeling like just throwing it away, but okay, I need this for the videos, so I'm keeping it. I'll throw it away later. So plastic needs to be banned because it isn't good for our earth. It's injurious to our planet. That is one thing. And also it is injurious to our health as well. Yes. I recently read an article saying that when we use these plastic bottles or plastic tiffins, plastic utensils, over a period of time, the plastic degrades and it's not really visible to our eye, but all these microfibers or microplastic, it could get into our food, and if we swallow it, we might get cancer. And I hate cancer. I'm scared of it. So yeah, so I don't want that to happen. So let's just avoid plastic. Yeah. So plastic bottles are injurious to our health and plastic bottles are injurious to our earth. Not just plastic bottle, in general, plastic. So just let it go, okay? But if you are just going to throw it away, you can use these bottles to, you know, plant trees, small shrubs. You get all kinds of DIY ideas on YouTube also, so you can do that. And the thing is, we get these bottles very easily, like with all these aerated drinks, beverages, these bottles are easily available, and then we end up with so many that we keep using those only. But from now on, don't do that because it's not good for your health. So you can just plant a tree inside that. Also, I like the shape of this bottle. Like I got this one free with something, but again, this is to all those companies who give out free plastic stuff with their products. Please don't do that because it's really not good for the environment. Although I like the shape of this bottle because I can simply sip water like a glass, because I like doing that. Like it gives me that satisfaction that I have had enough water. I don't like the sippers or this kind of openings. And also the opening is big enough so I can put my hand inside entirely and then clean. Again, that is another OCD of mine, that I need to clean things with my hands, otherwise I don't get that sense of cleaning, cleanliness. Yeah. So but again, just because this is a plastic bottle, I don't really like that much. Otherwise the shape of the bottle is really good. So that's why no plastic bottles. I actually did that. Okay, so now we have two options, glass bottles or steel bottles. Now the thing is that I prefer glass bottles over steel bottles. In both these bottles, you can put hot liquids. Okay, I threw that away too quickly. Okay, anyway, so you know that if you put hot liquids in plastic bottles, it might melt over time, and again, it's not good for your health. So why do you want that? It's good, I threw them away. So in these bottles, you can put your hot liquid stuff and you can also cool it down nicely. The good part about glass bottles is that these are microwave friendly. So if you have something, if you put coffee in this in the morning, you take it to your office and you just go to the pantry and heat it and then sip it, it's good. Whereas steel bottles, you can't really do that. But the good part about steel bottles is that if it drops, it doesn't break. But I can't really do the same thing with this bottle because it's too precious for me. And the other good part about glass bottles is that you get so many cute cute kind of designs in these. Like even this one is so sweet. I got this for about 10 dirhams from Miniso or something. So you get all these kind of cute products in these Korean shops. So this was 10 dirhams, that is about 180 rupees, Indian rupees. So I prefer glass bottles because they are cute. And even like, even this, the it's like a glass, so that I can get that sense of satisfaction that I have had proper enough water. So you can always use these. But again, if you are going out for cycling or if you are going out for jogging, it's good to carry a steel bottle or a steel sipper, because then if it drops, it won't break. So this is again a good one. This is my brother's. I kept these two because again I wanted to just talk about the shape, because this again you can't really clean. Like you get those cleaners, but I don't really prefer that, because again, like I need to clean it with my hands to get that sense of cleanliness. So if you don't clean these bottles properly, you end up getting this slimy kind of bottle, and you will just have to throw it away after few months. Whereas this bottle, you can just clean it properly all the time, and you don't need to buy a new bottle soon. So that is the difference between plastic bottles, which I threw away, glass bottles, and steel bottles. So do tell me, what do you think about this video in the comment section below? And if you have any such other eco-friendly products, again share it with me in the comment section below, or DM it to me on my Instagram. The link is again below. And I don't know why I'm talking like this. So until next time, keep sharing my videos, keep watching them, just change your lifestyle, become eco-friendly and organic, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Okay.